Pinnacle 13-14 basketball division break. Good luck. Many parallels, many base, many inserts. Ten very thick packs. Look at these, man. Alright. Good luck. Pack number 1. Du hast New Orleans Hornets. Die alten Hornets sind Pelicans. Also in 13, 14 zurück. Yes. Also Pack number 1. Base. PJ Tucker. Whoops. Mein Stuhl. Sorry. Steph Curry. Kyle Lowry. Steve Nash. Jason Richardson. Dwayne Wade. Joakim Noah. Kenneth Faried. Tristan Thompson. Jason Williams. Alonzo Mourning. Darren Williams. Dennis Rodman. Sean Kemp. Kevin Martin. The first insert is Kyrie Irving. Team Pinnacle. With Damian Lillard. Kyrie Irving, Damian Lillard will be randomized between the central and the northwest. So first insert. And then next one is Museum Collection. Blake Griffin for the Clippers. Museum for the Clippers. Artist proof is Jason Williams for the Memphis Grizzlies. Pau Gasol Team Pinnacle with Marc Gasol will be randomized. Nikola Vucevic, Big Bang for Orlando Magic. Awaiting the call is Chris Bosh. For the Heat. Then we have Team 2020 is Shane Larkin for the Dallas Mavericks. Jeff Withey, rookie. Shabazz Muhammad, rookie. Lou Williams, rookie. Phil Pressey, rookie. Luigi Datoma, rookie. Carl Landry, rookie. Kuzmic, rookie. And Eric Maynor, rookie. The rookies aside here. First pack. Here we go, second pack. Base. These are all base. All base, Rudy Gay. And the first hit is, this is a base. The first hit is Al Horford auto for the Atlanta Hawks. Al Horford for the Hawks. Where's the Hawks? Hawks is southeast. Crazy Chiller. No, not Crazy Chiller. No, Crazy Chiller. Crazy Chillers. Al Horford auto. Dummy. And then we have Chris Humphries Museum Collection for the Celtics. Alonzo Mourning Artist Proof for the Heat. Jamfest is J.R. Smith for the Knicks. Scoring Kings is Kobe Bryant. Position Powers, Will Chamberlain for the Lakers. Team 2020 is Jimmy Butler for the Bulls. And some rookies. All those rookies. Oh, that's not a rookie. Tony Snell, Reggie Bullock. Let me check that again. And John Wall. Not numbered, okay. Jeff Green on top for the base cards. Barry Sanders, Base, Boris Diaw, Tom Chambers, Goran Dragic, Chandler Parsons, Yao Ming, and Randy Foye base. JJ Redick for the Clippers, Museum Collection. Chris Bosh, Artist Proof for the Miami Heat. Jam Fest is Larry Nance for the Phoenix Suns. Scoring Kings is Oscar Robertson for the Milwaukee Bucks. Dwight Howard for the Rockets, behind the numbers. Team 2020 is Anthony Davis, rookie, for the Pelicans, Hornets. There are some smaller rookies. Archie, Ty Lawson, and some other rookie, and Raman Session. Pablo Prigioni, or base. Base. Oh, Steph Curry, first quarter insert for the Golden State Warriors. First quarter, clear vision, Golden State Warriors. Jameer Nelson for the Magic, Museum Collection. Tristan Thompson, Artist Proof for the Cavs. Yao Ming for the Rockets, Naturals. Z-Team, Damian Lillard for the Blazers. Position powers is Allen Iverson for the Sixers. Another Damian Lillard, Team 2020 for the Blazers. And some other rookies. Oops. And some base. Alright, next pack. Base, base. Some other base. And it's a green Artist Proof for the Denver Nuggets. Alex English. Green, these are rare. 3 of 25 for the Denver Nuggets. Green Artist Proof for the Denver Nuggets and the Northwest Division. Northwest is Dirty 30, me. Nice. The dummy. Ersan Ilyasova Museum Collection for the Bucks. And Anderson Varejao for the Cavs Artist Proof. Ray Allen Naturals insert for the Heat. Kevin Durant Z-Team for Oklahoma City. Awaiting the call, Tim Duncan, Spurs. Bradley Beal, Team 2020, Wizards. And some base, Tim Hardaway Jr. rookie, CJ McCollum rookie, Kelly O rookie. And Dennis Schroeder rookie. Ich ruf gleich zurück. JJ Hickson, base. Base, Shaq base. Magic Johnson. Brandon Jennings, base. Then Thaddeus Young, Museum Collection. Rick Barry for the Warriors, Artist Proof. Jam Fest is Harrison Barnes for the Warriors. Moses Malone for the Philadelphia 76ers. Position powers is John Stockton for the Jazz. Kevin Durant, Artist Proof, behind the numbers for the Thunder. And some rookies and base. 4 packs left. Base. All base here. Paul George. Scottie Pippen. For the Philadelphia 76ers, Thaddeus Young. First quarter insert. Clear vision. Mario Chalmers Museum Collection. George Murazan for the Bullets, Artist Proof. Wizards, of course. The Naturals is David Robinson for the Spurs. Carmelo Anthony Z-Team for the Knicks. Damian Lillard behind the numbers for the Blazers. Team 2020 is Tobias Harris for the Magic. And some rookies and base. Victor O. And Michael Carter Williams, rookie. Whoa. Blake Griffin base. Base. No base here. Big Bang is DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers. Die cut. Oh, die cut is numbered. 25 of 99. $25 of 99 for the Clippers. There you go. Big Bang die cut for the Clippers. Kirk Heinrich for the Bulls Museum Collection. Tony Parker Artist Proof for the Spurs. For the Spurs, Tim Duncan, Team Pinnacle with Kevin Garnett. This will be randomized. Big Bang, Dwight Howard for the Rockets. Awaiting the call is Steve Nash for the Lakers. And Nikola Vucevic for the Magic, Team 2020. And some base. 2 packs left. Still missing one auto, right? And a jersey. If I'm not wrong. Kendrick Perkins, base on top. Base. We have first quarter for the Dallas Mavericks. Dirk Nowitzki for the Mavs. And the next hit is a jersey for the San Antonio Spurs. Tim Duncan, performance jersey for the San Antonio Spurs and the Southwest. Dark Knight. DJ Augustine for the Raptors Museum. Bob Lene for the Pistons, Artist Proof. Jam Fest is Kobe for the Lakers. Dan Issel for the Denver Nuggets. Scoring Kings. Position Powers is Julius Erving for the Sixers. Team 2020 Trey Burke for the Jazz. And some base. Last pack should have another auto. Let's hope on something nice. Base. And the auto. We will do the auto last. Oh, come on now. The auto is Shane Larkin for the Dallas Mavericks. Pinnacle autographs. Shane Larkin for the Dallas Mavericks. Damn. Al Horford Museum Collection. John Stockton Artist Proof for the Jazz. Kevin Love Team Pinnacle and Dirk Nowitzki will be randomized. Big Bang is Jonas Valanciunas for the Raptors. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Position Powers. Norris Cole 2020 Artist Proof, not numbered. And some base to finish it off. That's it. Oh, Anthony Davis rookie. That's it for the break. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Peace.